Good morning, friends. Myself Yogen Singh, and today I have come with a grammar lesson named Determiners. Yes, the name of my lesson is Determiners. Will you tell me what is determiner? As by its name. Yes, as it is clear by its name, those words which specify or particularize the meaning of the noun are called determiners. Yes, my friends, I think now it has become clear to you that a, the, some, that, these, few, and any. All these words are determiners. To know more about it, now we have to read following sentences. Number 1, the cow gives us the milk. Here, the specify the meaning of cow. An animal that is famous for giving milk. Some students have learned the lesson. Yeah, it has become clear that only some students. A few cities are so contaminated as Delhi by corona. Yes, not more. Only a few cities are so contaminated. Next, my friend, no one else friend. It was only my friend. Always help me in need. Next, every student must have to attend the class. So, student, by all these examples, it has become clear to you that determiners, yeah, as by name, determiners are those words which specify or particularize the meaning of the noun, are called determiners, and its example are a, the, some, that, these, few, and any. Now to know more of it, we have to go to next slide. Yes, kind of determiners. Very good, student. First, when we know about particularize type of the determiners, and first of it are called articles. Yes, what are the article? You know very well. A, an, and the. A and an are indefinite articles, and the is definite articles. It means it is clear to you that a and an are used before those nouns which are used to introduce, and the is used before those nouns which are familiar to you. Next determiner are possessives. I hope you understand what are possessives. They have taken from proper noun like my, our, your, his, her, and their. My is used for the speaker himself. Our is used for when speakers are more than, and you is just about the next one about to whom he is talking. His for gents, her for ladies, and their for all the plurals. Yes, next comes the demonstratives. You know what are demonstrative? They are demonstrative pronouns. There are 4 words in demonstrative. First one is this. This is used for those things which show nearness to us and singular in number. Again I am repeating, this is used before those nouns which are near to us and also singular. In the same manner, that is used also with singular noun, but for those nouns which are farther from us. In the same manner, these is used before those plural nouns which are very near to us, and those is used before those nouns which are very far from us. I think it had become clear to you. Now we have to learn some more determiners, and rather these determiners are quantifier and qualifiers adjectives. that many times you have used in adjectives, and some of them are some. First of all, some is used to give a positive meaning and telling us about a little part. Next is few. Few is used with countable noun. What I am saying, countable noun, when in meaning of some. Little is used with uncountable noun, but the meaning is same, means some. Next is each. Each is used for one, but in group. Every is used for one, but separately. Next comes none, when no one is included, and after that is either. Either is used for two. When both are given importance, then either is used, but there is option between both of them. Next is both. Both is also used for two, but when equal importance is given to both the nouns or pronouns which are going to use after it. Next is neither. Neither is used when no one is counted responsible, and it is also used for two nouns when no importance is given to nouns. Next is whole. It is used when you use a thing, when you use the meaning to make a unit. For example, as family, then we can use the whole family. The class, we can use the whole class. But when all these words is taken together, means family members or students, then we have to use all. What we can use? All. So it has become clear, when they are separate, then we use all for the meaning, for a complete meaning, and for a unit. When we consider it a unit, we have to use whole. I hope, my friend, now you have understood what are the determinants. Again, I am repeating it. There are four type of determinants. First one is article. In article, we take word a, and the. Then next comes the possessives, and in it comes my, our, your, his, her, and their. And the third one is demonstrative. In this comes this, that, these, and those. And number 4, you may call some other determinants or quantifier or qualifiers, and in it comes the word like some, few, little, each, every, none, either, both, neither, whole, and all. And I hope all of you have understood, and if you have understood, then you can check your knowledge by going to spelling check, the next slide.